Wala na akong masasabi pang iba. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa interviews. Ever since nakatrabaho ko siya, nung hindi pa siya ganun kasikat, I already had good words for her. In fact, I put in a good word about her sa management kasi nga, I really believe in her talent. Si Andres is a revelation, you know, for someone who is, kumbaga, technically, yun na nga, given na mag-artista yan kasi, hello, di ba? Ano siya, showbiz royalty. Pero hindi mo mafe-feel na meron siyang ganong ere. He is very serious sa craft niya. And ako talagang kailangan na lang talagang pinuhin ni Andres yung Tagalog niya and he will be unstoppable as an actor. And he's working on that. He's aware, his father is aware of his limitations sa pagdating sa Tagalog. But that's, you know, what makes a great actor, di ba? He's willing to work on it. So in the future, imagine yung talaga sobrang diretso na ng Tagalog niya. Nako.